Intro. Hi, we at my Automotive Refinishing Specialist Corporation and the creator of the ForcedG.R.I.T. Magnetic Sanding System. G.R.I.T. stands for Grit Rotation Indication Technology. Today, I'm going to guide you, step by step, through a pro-level repair of a clear coat run or sag, from initial leveling to final buffing. Let's get into it. Phase 1. Cutting the run. First, find the raised area of the sag. It often forms along vertical panels, door edges, or curved clear-coated surfaces. Attach 2000 grit sandpaper to your ForcedG.R.I.T. block and turn the dial to setting number 1. This enhances the magnetic draw, making the 2000 grit feel more like 1200 to 1500 for faster leveling. This initial setting is your power mode, allowing you to quickly and safely knock down the high spots without the risk of digging in. The magnetic force pulls the sanding block flat against the panel, ensuring that you are only cutting the very top surface of the clear coat. This is a crucial distinction from traditional sanding blocks, where uneven hand pressure can cause you to unintentionally gouge the surface. The ForcedG.R.I.T. block self-corrects, so you can focus on your technique, not on maintaining perfect pressure. Now, here's where ForcedG.R.I.T. really changes the game. Its magnetic interaction keeps the sanding block flat and parallel to the panel, even if your hand isn't. That means the tool self-corrects, hugging curves and contours with accuracy. More importantly, the block focuses energy only on the top 1 to 2 mils of clear coat. You're not applying downward pressure, so you're dramatically less likely to dig into the base coat or color layer. Begin sanding with deliberate side-to-side motions. Let the magnet do the work while you maintain a light grip. Follow up with up and down passes to blend across the surface evenly. Even though you're working a small defect, the ForcedG.R.I.T. is harmonizing contact pressure across all the materials in the sanding zone, whether it's just clear, or a mix of clear, primer blend, or original factory finish. You'll see the run begin to level, but don't rush it. Check your progress using angled light and feel. As soon as you no longer feel the ridge by touch and can barely detect it by eye, you're ready for refinement. Phase 2. Refining and blending. Now dial to setting number 3. This brings your sandpaper back to its true, factory grit level. This phase is all about restoring uniformity and eliminating any micro highs or leftover scratch edges. The goal here is to refine the scratches created in the previous phase and prepare the surface for a higher grit. The magnetic force, now at a medium setting, provides a balanced, uniform pressure that prevents you from creating new, deeper scratches. This is where the magic of the ForcedG.R.I.T. system really shines, as it ensures an incredibly consistent scratch pattern that will be much easier to polish out later. Start by feathering out from the corrected spot, expanding your blending zone. Use a light crosshatch pattern to create an even matte finish across the surrounding clear. What's amazing here is how the magnet still reacts dynamically to the panel surface, gently balancing your pressure while maintaining even grit contact. This magnetic pull is intelligent. It adjusts across mixed surfaces like OEM clear, older resprays, or edge-fused primer zones. It doesn't just ride the surface, it reads it. This ensures that you are always working at the ideal pressure, regardless of the underlying surface material. It's this attention to detail that sets a professional level repair apart from a quick fix. You want your texture to feel completely balanced under your fingertips. Use angled lighting to catch any waviness or gloss irregularities. If it's uniform under both touch and light, you're ready to finish. Phase 3. Pre-polish smoothing. Dial to setting 4. This softens the sanding action, making 2000 grit feel like 2500 to 3000. Perfect for finishing passes. Use wide, even sweeps. This is less about cutting and more about clarity, getting the surface ready for polishing while removing trace marks from earlier grits. This final smoothing step is critical for achieving a mirror finish. The highest magnetic setting on the ForcedG.R.I.T. block effectively reduces the aggressiveness of your sandpaper, allowing for a gentle, uniform finish that requires minimal polishing. This saves you time and reduces the risk of burning through the clear coat with a high-speed polisher. The goal is to create a perfectly flat, finely sanded surface that will respond beautifully to the polishing process. Phase 4. Ultra-fine sanding with 3000 grit. Now go to 3000 grit sandpaper. Start at setting 1 for a fast bite, then move to setting 3 for a true 3000 finish. End with setting 4 to simulate the soft glide of 5000 grit. This gives you a silky, haze-free finish that buffs out beautifully. The use of a multi-step grit progression is key to a flawless repair, and the ForcedG.R.I.T. system makes it effortless. By starting with a more aggressive magnetic setting, you can quickly cut the remaining scratches. Then, by adjusting the dial, you can refine your work without changing your paper. This is the ultimate time saver and a testament to the system's innovative design. The end result is a surface so smooth, it will feel like glass. Polishing and wrap up. Grab your dual action or rotary polisher and a medium cut compound. Apply smooth, overlapping passes. Then finish with a soft pad and finishing polish to bring out deep gloss and restore optical clarity. The choice between a dual action DA and a rotary polisher depends on your experience and the specific task. For beginners and most everyday repairs, a DA polisher is safer and easier to control, as it minimizes the risk of burning through the clear coat. A rotary polisher, on the other hand, offers more aggressive cutting power but requires a steady hand and consistent technique to avoid creating holograms or scorching the paint. Start by applying a small amount of medium-cut compound directly to your cutting pad. A common mistake is to use too much product, which can lead to sling, reduced cutting efficiency, and a messy workspace. A few pea-sized drops are usually sufficient for a small repair area. With your polisher set to a low speed, spread the compound over the sanded area before turning the machine on. This prevents splattering. That's it. With ForcedG.R.I.T, you stay in full control from start to showroom finish. Professional precision, built into the block.
Discover the new innovative sanding solution for automotive body, paint, and buff repairs. Designed for precision, the Forced Grit sanding block adapts seamlessly to flat and contoured surfaces, providing professional results every time. With cutting-edge magnetic memory technology, the Forced Grit sanding block conforms to surface contours, delivering flawless results while protecting the base coat. The Forced Grit sanding block enhances productivity, reduces repair time, and ensures a professional quality finish, making it the ultimate tool for automotive repair and refinishing. Visit our website to schedule a free demo and experience the future of automotive refinishing. Discover the new innovative sanding solution for automotive body paint and buff repairs. Designed for precision, the ForcedGrit sanding block adapts seamlessly to flat and contoured surfaces, providing professional results every time. With cutting-edge magnetic memory technology, the ForcedGrit sanding block conforms to surface contours, delivering flawless results while protecting the base coat. The ForcedGrit sanding block enhances productivity, reduces repair time, and ensures a professional quality finish, making it the ultimate tool for automotive repair and refinishing. Visit our website to schedule a free demo and experience the future of automotive refinishing.